In this video, we are going to talk about easiest ways to promote your YouTube channel. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. If you want to increase the number of views on your YouTube channel and the return on your YouTube investment, we've got some very smart and practical strategies to advertise your channel. Number 10. Use keyword phrases that are Google friendly. The foundation of a successful YouTube channel is excellent search engine optimization. And great SEO begins with a thorough understanding of what consumers are looking for. Apparently, individuals don't simply browse for videos on YouTube, they also search for them on Google. In 2018, the search phrase YouTube was the second most commonly used. For many queries, Google now emphasizes video over other types of content. There is no hard and fast rule regarding which keywords can help your YouTube video rank higher in search results. However, a little reverse engineering can go a long way toward solving the problem. Here's how to find a video term that is both relevant and searchable. Utilize a keyword research tool such as the Google Ads Keyword Planner to identify potential keywords. One of your alternatives can be found on Google. For each keyword, scan the search engine results page, SERP, to see what comes up. Are the top-ranking search results videos or written information, and how do they differ? Make some changes to your keyword and try again. If you're having problems receiving video results, try adding words like how to or tutorial to your search. Select a term that emphasizes video and is appropriate for your content. Number 9. Make use of titles that are concise and descriptive. The title is the first thing that users view when they come across your content on the internet. In fact, if it isn't particularly punchy, it might be the last one left. Here are some general guidelines for creating compelling YouTube titles. Keep it brief and to the point. The names of the most popular YouTube videos tend to be the shortest of all of them. Keep your title to 60 characters or less, or else some of it may be cut off when it is displayed. If you want to prevent losing valuable information, include your keywords in the first half of your title. The majority of internet readers pay attention to the first few words of a sentence and skip the rest. Engaging does not imply that anything is clickbait. The most effective headlines either provide a clear benefit or elicit an emotional response. Clickbait may be seductive, but it has the potential to harm your channel's reputation in the long run. Still having trouble coming up with a title? The autocomplete feature on YouTube is a fantastic tool for discovering popular terms. Begin by looking for a specific theme or topic on YouTube and seeing what titles are suggested to you. Number 8. Make your own thumbnails. Thumbnails are important, perhaps even more important than titles. This is due to the fact that our brains are programmed to notice visual stimuli first. According to one MIT study, we can process them in less than 13 milliseconds on average. YouTube creates automatic thumbnails for all videos, but they can be blurry or out of focus due to the nature of the content. Create an eye-catching custom thumbnail for each video you upload to increase the number of views. For the greatest outcomes, we recommend following these simple rules of thumb. 1280 by 720 pixels is the resolution of this image, but any 16:9 aspect ratio should work. Formats include :.jpg, .gif, .bmp, and .png. Size, please adhere to the 2 MB restriction. Make use of photographs with strong contrast. Make use of language and colors to entice them to click. If possible, choose a close-up photograph. When in doubt, choose a stock photograph. Make sure your branding is consistent with the rest of your company. Are you more inclined to choose one of these two thumbnails from the ones shown here? The blue graphic to the right is more vibrant, more eye-catching, and far more clickable. Number 7. Complete your profile information. Many YouTubers skip over the profile portion and go right to the video creation part of a platform. However, creating an engaging profile is one of the most straightforward ways to promote your YouTube channel, as well as to improve your SEO. For those interested in constructing an excellent YouTube profile, the following are some best practices to follow. Make a point of being consistent. Make use of a color palette, writing style, and layout that is similar to what you use on your website and other social media outlets. Optimize the description of your YouTube channel. This is an excellent location to include keywords. Although YouTube penalizes tag stuffing, inserting a couple of keywords can go a long way toward increasing your search engine rankings. Continue to entice viewers to return for more. When and how often will you be releasing fresh content is up in the air. Make your timetable known to your fans, and then make sure you stick to it. Include your contact information. You never know who might be trying to get in touch with you. Make things simple for them, and you may be able to land some fantastic collaborations. Number 6. Make your descriptions as descriptive as possible. For more information on how to write good YouTube descriptions, check out our comprehensive guide, which includes suggestions for both individual videos and entire channels. Here are some of the most important takeaways. Include your keywords near the beginning of the description and title. Keep your message under 5,000 characters. Provide viewers with a contents page that includes timestamps to assist them in finding what they are looking for. Include links to related playlists in your content. More on this later. Include a couple of hashtags that are relevant. Before you upload something to YouTube, make sure you read the rules for hashtagging. If you like, you can also include keywords within the video content itself. However, just as with writing, individuals quickly lose interest in what is being spoken. For the best results, include a couple of keywords in your brief introduction. Number 5. Don't forget about meta information. When it comes to the use of keywords, YouTube's metadata rules underline 2 important points. Be forthright. Choose quality over quantity whenever possible. In addition, features such as tags and categories are under the purview of these standards. Tags should only be included in the tags section of your upload, not in the description of the video. Add 1 or 2 categories to your video description to assist YouTube in determining who your video should be recommended to. Number 4. Provide genuine value. This may seem self-evident, yet it is still worth mentioning. Creating excellent content is the most effective approach to keep people engaged, as well as the most effective strategy to rank well in search results. This is due to the fact that YouTube's ranking methodology places a high value on the viewer's experience. Consider the following question before you post any video. What problem does this video solve? Is it worth your time? Will it have any effect on the lives of those who watch it? Number 3. Produce videos of great quality. Even the most compelling information can be undermined by poor video quality. As a result, be certain that your content is professional looking before posting it. Make use of a high-quality camera, conduct a sound check before filming, and become familiar with basic editing techniques. Of course, not everyone has the innate ability to be a filmmaker. Refresh your memory on these social video recommended practices if you've been a touch out of the loop. Professional looking before posting it. Real involvement does not stop with the creation of content. A continual monitoring and interaction with their audience is a must for the most successful YouTubers. Respond to viewers' comments, even if they are negative, and heart the ones you like the most. Make answer videos and post them. Make use of analytics to discover your most loyal customers and extend special treatment to them. Your viewers, as well as the number of people who subscribe to your newsletter, will appreciate you for it. Number 1. Try a question and answer session. Audience Q&A sessions are one of the most effective methods of fostering a sense of belonging. Inviting your followers to give you questions through a comment, email, or tweet is a good idea. Then make a video to address them directly. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel. By demonstrating to your fans that they are important, you will increase their watch time, view counts, and engagement. Furthermore, Q&As might be lifesavers when you are running out of new content ideas.